All right, so let's change the move that I do one thing does, and let's switch it over to command. And at the same time, I'll talk about which commands I have completed because I haven't done them all. In fact, the move command I haven't fully finished. I didn't do collisions yet. It's the current thing I'm on. So I did, these are conditions, not commands. I did aiming. I did not do firing. I did not do attacks yet. I did moving mostly. I haven't done an attack. I did scan, I did switches, and I did wait. There's a couple other ones that were easy that I did, like guarding, redirecting, ones that don't require much animation. So let's switch this to scanning. All right, so now it's just a scan command, doesn't require any instructions. We'll go over to fight, and we'll switch it back over to the bot that we want, and we'll say execute. Let's change this to a little bit mediocre speed, and it'll do a little animated spread. All the borders became black. Your enemy was highlighted in red, and your ally was highlighted in blue. It's quick, but yeah. What else did I did? Aiming. All right, let's do aiming. Let's go over here. So yeah, some of these are taking me a little bit of time. I mean, this is the bulk of the game essentially, is animating the combat actions and whatnot. After that, I get the fun part of scripting robots and making you fight them. All right, so let's just increment by increment. Let's do it by 45 degrees. All right, so you start out looking right, and it's going to go 45, and then 90, and then 135, and 180. Save the bot. Let's go over here and select him, confirm, and we'll begin the battle. And what's going to happen is his arm's going to move. He's going to aim. Some dots going to appear, and up he's hitting the wall there. We'll go to the next tick, and same thing, hits the tick beneath him, the wall beneath him. And maybe I should have had it just set over to the right. Well, we have 3 more of these to do. We can spend some time together. There we go. It goes over there. It's going to hit the wall next to us. And I think it hits this guy. All right. So that's the aiming. And aiming provides your bot with information in the next tick. So next tick, you could test for aim results. And if there's an aim result, you could do something. In fact, I could do that. Let's go build him. Let's go over to him. Let's make the first action, instead of it being aim command, let's go to conditions, and let's switch it for condition aim results. So if we have, condition hostile is equal to, so that means that if there is an aim result that contains a hostile. If there's a hostile, what we're going to do is we're going to move up. We're going to run away. Brace a Robin. And instead of moving right, because that would take us right into a wall, let's move that, and let's move up, up, up. All right, and let's do that. And then if we go back up and we go into the case false. So if we haven't found something in our aiming, we're going to rotate our aiming. Insertion point, command. Is this one aim? Aim command, good. And we're going to increment by, let's do it 60. So we go 60, 120, 180, 240. Well, 240, hit it. Yeah. Okay, so we'll save that. I just did it instead of 45 to make it so that we can, take a couple less ticks. Or just make them run fast, actually. Oh, another thing that's interesting to note is that on the fastest mode, it doesn't actually animate. It just does things as quickly as possible. So if I just do this, it goes up, up, up through them quickly. And it rotated his arm, but it didn't show all the little icons. So I'll slow it down now. Back to little kitty. And still aiming. We hit there. And the next tick will hit him. Oh, we found him. And now it should run upward because we found something. Yay. And that's how the AI works.